Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Niklix. So, continuing with my JavaScript tutorial, like today I'm going to demonstrate the video of if condition and else if condition in JavaScript. How you can apply if and else if condition in your JavaScript functions. So I have made a button, then I have called an add function on this button. Now I'm going to declare a variable with the a and 20, a as 10 and b as 20, then c equals to a plus b. Now I'm writing here the condition is if c double equals to 30, alert it's a right guess, else alert it's a wrong guess, right? So let's see its output. So add function, it's a right guess. Why it's a right guess? Because a equals to 10, b equals to 20, c equals to a plus b means c will contain the value of a plus b means it will contain a value of 30. Then I'm going to compare it. Basically, this is an assignment operator in which 10 is assigning its own value to the variable a. But in this case, it's a comparison operator with double quotes in this if condition. What does this mean is that C is containing its own value and it is being compared with a value of 30. So if C contains 30, it's a right guess. That what my program is saying because C is having a value of 30. So it is saying the right guess. If I write here is 100 and like if I'm going to click over here then it is saying wrong guess. Why? Because 100 plus 20 is 120, 120 is not equals to 30, then it means it is a wrong guess, right? So this is basically your if condition, the demonstration of if condition in your JavaScript. Now moving to the, I'm going to comment this code. So moving to the my else if condition, what I have to do here is if c equals to 30, alert it's 30, else if c equals to 40, alert it's 40, else if c equals to 50, alert it's 50, and in the last what I have to do here is else alert else, right? So this is the last condition. If any of the above condition does not satisfy, means if c does not contains the value of 30, if c does not contains the value of 40, if c does not contains the value of 50, then in the last the else portion will be executing. For example, we have a c with the value of 120. Let's see what it says. I'm going to click on add. It's saying me else. Why? Because c is equals to 120. So 120 is not equals to 30. No. 120 equals to 40. No. 120 equals to 50. No. Means none of the conditions satisfies. So in the last it will run your else block. So the value is else, right? So if I'm going to do here is 10, 10. Now the 10 plus 20 is 30. So the first condition satisfied, it will give me the answer as it's 30. This condition will be executed, right? I hope you understand the concept of if and else if in JavaScript. Stay tuned with me, subscribe my channel and get all the tutorials of JavaScript into your hands. Thanks for watching.